Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to place a ray bar for columns. तो मैंने ऑलरेडी एक क्रॉस सेक्शन इधर ड्रॉ किया हूँ, आप देख सकते हैं. I'm already drawn a cross section here, you can see. Then you simply click it here. Then the cross section is visible now. So in previous class I have shown you how to place a ray bar for foundation. Okay. Then I will go with columns. So here the beam also there and the flooring also there. Okay. Here you can see it's a flooring material and the beam. You can see rectangular beam and it's a column and it's also on column. Now if you place the rebar here, from here to here is a, it will taken. Okay, so go to structure, select the rebars, and here is a number of the options, you can see. So select the right one, or you can draw also, it also possible. Okay, so I will select the required one, see is it available or not. Hmm. So I will select this one and perpendicular to the cover. Sorry, I can go to rebar and I don't know which shape is this. So yeah, this one. So again, yeah, now it's properly visible. So otherwise you can draw the required shape also. So, but I will take this shape rebar shape M1. It's a number, okay. So you can see now you have to select the place to the parallel or work plane. Okay, I'll just select the rebar as a work plane. Just set it here. You can see the rebar. Okay, only one. And in properties bar you can change the diameter also, and you can go with visibility graphics. I can check the visibility graphics first and go to edit type and change the diameter also 12 mm, sorry, or make it as 10 mm also, it's possible. Okay, and it's a hook length, you can change the hook length also, it's possible. So okay, now here is option called single fixed, as per the same. So I will go with fixed number, make it as 3. Then again I'll move little bit downward. Okay, you can see, just move here. Yeah, now you can see little bit move downward. So now I will change the orientation from this side to this side. So here is option called edit sketch, you can go with edit sketch and you can edit also. One more option is there, but it's not showing here. So you can edit like this, 4245, the dimension also visible now, make it as 0.42. So okay, then you can fix it into 3. Again go to 3D, you can see in 3D. Yeah, I have changed the colors also. For changing the colors, go to visibility graphics, VV, and here's the option called structural rebar. Yeah, you can change it into yellow, or here override, check. Yeah, the line showing in yellow. Now again go to section, you can draw this side. Okay, so you can select and make it mirror also, it's possible. Yeah, you can see this thing is also little bit easy. You can see here in 3D how it's look like the rebars for columns. तो आप देख सकते हैं इधर. तो हमारे पास एक्चुअल ड्राइंग नहीं है, एक्चुअल ड्राइंग हुआ तो बेहतरीन तरीके से हम लोग कर सकते थे. इसका हुक लेंथ भी चेंज कर सकते हैं। कैन सेलेक्ट हियर एंड go to edit type. You can change the maximum bend radius, hook length. You can, sorry, diameter standard bend hook 80 mm. You can change also. Okay, apply. Okay, I'm not changing anything. So now I'll move this rubber a little bit up to top of the second top of the second floor. Sorry, top of the first floor. Go to section, select the rubber, and go to edit, or you can simply drag like this. You can see how I change it. Again, go to 3D. You can see here. So select this one. Go to section. You can see in 3D how it's look like. Again, go to section. You can draw one more here. So go to rubber and parallel, or go to perpendicular. You can select it here. So select the rubber and make it into fixed numbers 3, and go to visibility settings. Check these settings. Okay, go to 3D. You can see here in 3D. So difficult to identify. Yeah, you can see. So you can do this like this. Go to section and other go to section. From here you can select it and go to edit sketch, east elevation. So I will delete it, and you can draw and drag this line. Go to any other elevation, you can drag this line and you can draw again. Should draw the lines also. So I'll make it some downward. Okay, again go to 3D. Now you can see how it's look like. So yeah, you can see. Make it as only one number. Enter. Otherwise select this and you can move like this. Go to section or go to east section. So you can see the rebars. So this one, where is this one, another one? Okay, otherwise you can delete it also. It also no issue. Based on the drawing you have to design. So you can see how you can modify the drawings. Otherwise, so in next video I'll show you how to place the stirrups. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.